Hi friends, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. In this class, we will learn how to calculate this integral. If the given integral is any one of these three forms, the procedure is same. First, you identify that this integral is of which form. You can observe here 1 divided by is not there. So, this integral is of this form. Integral of square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. If the given integral is any one of these three forms, the procedure is same. What is that procedure? First, we will consider the expression of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Here, what is that expression? That expression is 1 plus 3x minus x square. In this expression, to confuse you, they are not given in a right order. I'll write the right order. First, x square term. Here x square term is minus x square. Next x term, that is plus 3x. Next constant term. Now you can observe that it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. After considering this expression, you make sure that x square coefficient is 1 or not. If x square coefficient is not 1, you make x square coefficient 1 by taking that number common. Here x square coefficient is minus 1, not 1. We will make x square coefficient 1 by taking minus common. If we take minus common here, what happens? Take minus common. You will get like this x square. As we took minus common, this plus will become minus. Minus, this plus will become minus. Okay, that equal to minus of, see this x square minus 3x minus 1. Now, my main intention is I want to write x square minus 3x minus 1 into any one of these forms. A square minus x square or a square plus x square or x square minus a square. I want to write x square minus 3x minus 1 into any one of these three forms. We have a procedure to write this expression into any one of these three forms. First thing is this x square minus 3x we will write like this. X square minus 3x we are going to write like this. Please observe these things carefully. These are fixed for every problem, right? You just start with brackets. X is always fixed. Close the bracket here. Square is always fixed. Minus is also always fixed. Start with brackets. X is fixed. Square is fixed. Minus is fixed for all the problems. I am trying to write x square minus 3x into this form. Okay. After x square, what sign is there? Same sign you write here. After x square, if plus sign is there, we'll write plus here. In this problem, after x square minus sign is there. That's why I'll write minus here. You need to find this number. How to find this number? To find this number, you always keep 2x in your mind. 2x into some number will gives you 3x. 2x into what number will gives you 3x? That number you need to find. What is that number? That number is 3 by 2. See, 2 will get cancelled. You will get 3x only. So here we will write 3 by 2 minus square of this number. 3 by 2 whole square is what? 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4. You try to understand. Expand this. What you will get? X square plus 9 by 4 minus 2ab, 2 into x into 3 by 2 minus 9 by 4. Plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 will get cancelled. Plus 2 minus 2 will get cancelled. You will get x square minus 3x only. So in place of x square minus 3x, I can write this expression. Now you observe here what is remaining? Minus 1 is remaining. That minus I'll write here. Okay? Okay. If we simplify this further, what happened? Minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 minus 1. I'll simplify here. What you will get? Minus 9 by 4 minus 1. What is LCM? LCM is 4. What you will get in the numerator? Minus 9. Minus 9 minus 4 is what? Minus 13. Minus 13 divided by 4. Okay. So here minus 9 by 4 minus 1 is minus 13 divided by 4. Okay. To avoid the unnecessary confusion, I'll multiply this whole expression with minus. Multiply this whole expression with minus. What you will get? Here minus of minus is plus. 13 divided by 4 I'll write. 13 divided by 4 can be written as root 13 divided by 2 whole square. See here minus of minus is plus. Plus 13 by 4 I written here. That 13 by 4 I written root 13 by 2 whole square. Minus, when you multiply plus of minus is minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. What you came to know that this expression 1 plus 3x minus x square, we can write it as root 13 by 2 whole square minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square. You can observe that we written this expression in the form of a square minus x square. Now, in this integral, in place of 1 plus 3x minus x square, I can write this expression. Yes, you write that equal to integral of square root of, in place of 1 plus 3x minus x square, I can write this expression root 13 divided by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. If you observe this integral, it is of the form square root of a square minus x square. We learned this formula in previous classes. Integral of square root of a square minus x square dx. What is the formula? The formula is x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. This is the formula we learned in previous classes. If you observe this integral is of this form. Actually, we need to do this integration by substitution method. But if I do substitution method here, it creates unnecessary confusion. The main point is we can write this answer directly by observing this formula. If you know this formula, you can write this answer directly. How to write its answer directly? You observe here a square, in the formula a square is there. In place of a square, here root 13 by 2 whole square is there, minus x square. In place of x square, here x minus 3 by 2 whole square is there. What we identified, in place of x, here x minus 3 by 2 is there. So how to write this answer directly? You just apply this formula. In this formula, wherever x is there you write x minus 3 by 2. Wherever a is there you write root 13 by 2. Yes, just start applying the formula. Yes, what is there? X by 2. That means in place of x, we will write x minus 3 by 2 divided by 2 into square root of a square minus x square, a square, that is root 13 by 2 whole square minus x square. In place of x, we will write x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus a square by 2. A square is what? Root 13 by 2 whole square, a square by 2 into sine inverse of x. What is x here? In place of x, we will write x minus 3 by 2 divided by a. What is a? Root 13 divided by 2 plus c. We can write one more simplification step here, that I will write here, that equal to, you see, in the numerator, we can take 2 LCM. If you take 2 LCM, what you will get? You will get that 2x minus 3 whole divided by 2 and that divided by 2. This will become 2x minus 3 divided by 4. It can be understood easily into square root of, you observe here, root 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. You observe here, look here. If you look here, this is a root 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. We can write it as 1 plus 3x minus x square. So in place of this expression, I'll write 1 plus 3x minus x square. Okay. Plus here you observe here a square by 2. This is 13 by 4 actually. 13 by 4 whole divided by 2 is what? That is 13 divided by 8 into sine inverse of, you take LCM in the numerator, you take LCM is 2. What you will get in the numerator? In the numerator, you will get 2x minus 3 divided by 2. You observe in the denominator also root 13 by 2 is there. So in the numerator, in denominator 2, in the denominator 2 will get cancelled. This will be remaining 2x minus 3 divided by root 13 plus c. I hope you are understanding. Actually, these problems are very easy. You just practice 4 to 5 problems continuously, then you will say that this model is very easy.